There's a lot of conversations happening right now around the concept of an AI bubble, and are we in one? So before I give you my take, let's first define what is an AI bubble and what happens when it pops. So an AI bubble is described as when too much money, hype, and excitement floods into AI, driving valuations and expectations way beyond what's realistically achievable in the short term. What happens when it pops? That's when reality catches up, companies fail, investors lose money, and the hype deflates. So, are we in an AI bubble? I say yes, absolutely, but it hasn't popped yet. And let me give you more details on the AI bubble. Number one, yes, we are in an AI bubble, but this should be a surprise to nobody. We've seen this story before. I know I personally felt it in the dot-com days when I was in the Silicon Valley and I saw that bubble burst. So we've seen these cycles before: the internet, the cloud, and now AI. That means there's a bunch of hype, a lot of money being thrown in, but because of irrational expectations, the bubble bursts, and ultimately there's a reset. And that is what I think is going to happen. Number two, AI versus the internet. I genuinely believe AI is going to have a greater impact than the internet, which is, I understand, an audacious claim. However, let me explain. The internet connected us, and that was amazing. AI is doing more than just connect us. It's thinking with us. It can learn. It can automate. It has the potential of reshaping entire industries. But here's the buffer. It's not going to be easy. It won't be smooth. We know some of the challenges that we're already going to have, including regulations, compliance, and always the tough one, which is slow customer adoption. But we've seen this before. If anyone remembers the cloud, you know customer adoption takes a while. But the potential of AI is far greater than the internet. Number three, the investor playbook. Investors, venture capital firms, they love larger macro trends like AI. They get investors really excited, they raise a bunch of money, and they spread those investments over dozens or hundreds of companies, knowing that the majority of them are going to fail, but they're looking for those select few that provide that 10x, 20x return. So we've seen this playbook before, and it's not changing anytime soon. So yeah, this is going to contribute to an AI bubble. Number four, why the AI bubble will pop. This hype cycle is massive, but we can learn a lot from the cloud. Cloud struggled with regulation, security, compliance, but it also struggled with customer adoption. The customer adoption never lived up to the hype. Why is that? Well, customers still needed their skill sets. They needed the right experiences. They needed the knowledge and capable executives that know how to execute. And it's also more challenging when it's difficult to provide clients a return on investment model or a total cost of ownership that can be legitimate. In this world of AI, we just don't really know. It goes back to that question with cloud. Who's going to be the winner in cloud? Right now, that's the debate with AI. Who's going to be the winner? The one thing for sure is there's going to be a ton of losers. This is going to be a process of innovation. Number five, my bottom line. No reason to panic. This is just a byproduct of transformation of AI. So what should we do? We should focus on what we can do. What we can do is we can build our skills. We can learn. We can understand what are the opportunities with AI as well as what are the risks. And most importantly, we need real world data from implementations. We need to know what's working and what's not working. And I know customers don't like to hear this, but failure is going to be the only option for you to ultimately be successful. So to me, is go big, dream big, push yourself, fail. Because on the other side, there's an incredible transformation awaiting you. In the meantime, good luck.